so what we have is an ice cube tray. This just happens to be my favorite Halloween Skulls one. Silicone, so I can easily pop these out. What we're going to do is we're going to take tomato soup.
1 tablespoon.
Pour about half in each one. Okay. Hold that. And then we've got Colby Jack cheese that we cut up into itty bitty little cubes. I mean, you can see there's my thumbnail how big that cube is. And we're going to drop it in right in the center. Then we're going to come back with about half a tablespoon. Fill it up. I guess it's about 3/4. We'll see that again. Small cube goes in right in the center. 3/4 tablespoon fills up the cup. Let's do the rest of these and then we will. All right, so now we got this one full. We're going to go ahead and move over to this plain Jane ice cube tray. Next day, I took them out. It's actually 3 days later. Put the little cubes in a baggie. Take it away, Bear Cub.
So I have some buttermilk biscuits here. And I'm going to just pop them open. I'm going to get one biscuit out. Well, biscuit dough out. And I'm going to find a way to open it in half. I have it opened, not in half, but away. And I'm going to take the cube and place it in the middle. And then I'm going to put the biscuit around it. And I'm going to pinch it together.
Okay.
So now it looks like a smaller ball, and we're going to set it down.
Kind of up close here. Spread it apart. Hand me a skull. The little skulls right in the center. Pinch all the way around. Try to close up the seam. Boom.
Mine look more cool. I'm struggling to open it, but it's okay.
All right, there we are. Now we're going to do a 350-degree oven until they're golden brown.
Top, bottom.
Top. So now they're out of the oven. They've cooled for about 5 minutes. Get it plated up.
Look at that steam. Okay, I just think it needs a little bit more cheese, but overall it's really good.
Sweet. Well, that's our Cast Iron Wednesday.
I didn't get cheese in mine.
I don't know.
So when we cut it, it wasn't like in the middle. So yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, well, that's our Cast Iron Wednesday. Those are our grilled cheese bites.
Ow!
Have a great week, everybody.
Motor.